I think the struggle's funnier.
I think this is my favorite one we've ever done.
Today I am mourning the loss of my acting career or whatever. I'm just decided, heal, Andy. Okay, like, sorry, I gotta go again because I didn't say the he's so small fits in my purse. Okay, can you roll over? Like for the, oh, can you, you're not gonna roll? Okay, he's not cooperating. That has to work.
No, actually, I love it because he's struggling to get away from you. And like, once again, your improv is always impeccable.
Okay, you got your cue line. Okay. You're not gonna believe this. So I got this really, don't like that.
I love that. The Disney princess line you snuck in there, that was perfect.
Yay. You'll wash all my emotions out?
Yeah.
It's all my emotions are in it, Mom! No, I'll do it again. I'm okay.
I've been sitting here like silently laughing the whole thing.
Okay.
Are you okay? Can you breathe?